Today we are going to discuss on chloride. So what is the role of chlorine in effective use of water is the topic today. The crucial role of chlorination, ensuring effective disinfection. How a chlorine can be used, or what is the role of chlorine in disinfection. In this presentation, we will explore the crucial role of chlorination in ensuring effective disinfection. As we know that water supply system, especially used it should be used in a hygienic manner. But unfortunately, we have a lot of challenges in practical world. So to overcome such practical difficulties or to overcome such challenges, the one of the option what we are having in our hand is the chlorination, or in other words, commonly they call it chlorination, but scientifically it is called as disinfection. So we will discuss the significance in maintaining public health and safety, as well as its application in various industries. So what is chlorination, by the way? Chlorination is the process of adding chlorine to water to destroy pathogens and other harmful microorganisms. It is widely used in methods of water treatment and plays a vital role in preventing waterborne diseases. So as we know that we are using the treated water for the water supply system, for the domestic purposes especially. But unfortunately, what happened is during the time of the supply, because of that we are using in the pipe and all, so the pipe may be very age old, and there is a possibility of leakages, or there is a possibility of contamination through different sources. So to overcome that, we are using this chlorine as a disinfecting agent during the water supply system. In chlorination methods, we have different methods. It can be in a liquid form, or it can be a gaseous form, or even you can go for electrochlorination also. So each method is having its own advantages and disadvantages, and especially coming to the practical approach. When we are using in the field, we can add in terms of liquid or gaseous form. Some cases we can go as a powderized form. So chlorine dose guidelines. Proper chlorine dosing is crucial for effective disinfection. It is essential to maintain a right residual chlorine levels to ensure continuous protection against pathogens while avoiding over-chlorination. Actually, what will happen, it should not be overdosed, or it should not be underdosed also. So we have to maintain a certain amount of residual chlorine in the water level, which will ensure the safety of the people, those who are consuming the water. So chlorination monitoring, regular monitoring of chlorine level is essential to verify disinfection efficiency. So various testing methods such as colorimetric and digital analysis are used to ensure that the desired chlorine level are maintained in the system. So chlorine contact time. So only the residual chlorine, how much chlorine is available in the water. Next one is how it is having the contact with the chlorine in the aquatic environment is very important. So aquatic contact time between chlorine and water is necessary for effective disinfection. It allows sufficient exposure to chlorine to neutralize pathogens and to ensure safety of the treated water. So the only challenge is we have spending more money and our time to treat the water, but the end user or the consumer should get the water in a appropriate manner, in other words, the standard manner, which will be very helpful for their health, not the question mark for their health. Chlorination industry. Chlorination is widely used in various industries, including food processing, pharmaceutical, swimming pool. And not only for drinking, we are using for food industry and other relevant industry also. It serves a crucial measure to maintain hygiene and prevent microbial contaminant also. Chlorine safety precautions. While chlorine is effective for disinfection, proper safety precautions must be observed during the handling and storage, because it's a very harmful and hazardous chemical. Any form, it may be if you are handling in especially the gaseous form, we should be very proactive to ensure that it is not contaminant, or it will not affect the health of the people those who are handling such the chlorine. This includes using the appropriate proactive gear and ensuring adequate ventilation in the chlorination facilities. So, public health impact, the use of chlorination has significantly contributed to the reduction of waterborne diseases and has been instrumental in improving public health globally. It remains cornerstone of water treatment infrastructure because this is the end process that you can say before going to the consumer hand, we will do this chlorination only. The environmental consideration, while chlorination is effective for disinfecting, it can lead to the formation of disinfection byproducts. So it is essential to address this byproduct to ensure environmental safety and minimize the potential health risks. Because we are treating that water for against the component which are present on the water. And at the same time, we have to ensure that it is not affecting or the end product what you are treated should be disposed in a proper way, or it will be converted as a material which is not affecting the health of the people or the environment. Future trends in chlorination, advancement in chlorine generation technology, and development of alternative disinfection method are shaping the future of chlorination. As we know that chlorination is not only the disinfection method or the finalizing or saving the water treatment in the final stage, but also we have some other components also. But it is not practically viable is the major challenge, except chlorine. So, but still the research and development works are going on, through which we are identifying some of the disinfecting agent, which is giving positive results in treating and shaping the final end user water treatment system. These trends aim to enhance efficiency and minimize the environmental impact. So in conclusion, chlorine plays a crucial role in ensuring effective disinfection across various sectors. Its significance in public health and industrial hygiene underscores the importance of maintaining optical chlorination practices. This is very important to note that how the chlorine system is there in the system, and still some research and developments are going on how effectively we can use it, because as per the World Health Organization, we are not able to attain the WHO standard either for all the consumers. Only some few consumers are on an average we are achieving the chlorination or the amount of chlorine should be present in the water as a residual chlorine. We are not achieving that 100%. For that, some research and development is going on. For that, the chlorine decay rate is very important. So most of the time we are not studying about it. So randomly we are checking the sample and randomly we are adding the chlorine to the water. So that can be avoided for the future generation. Thank you.